Good morning, students. Hope you all are fine and following all the instructions as doctors are advising. Be positive and enjoy every phase of life. Let us start today's topic, cube and cube roots. In this topic, we are going to learn how to find cube of a number, how to find cube root of a number, then statement problems related to this topic. So let us start a new chapter, cube and cube roots. So to find cube of a number is multiplied 3 times. For example, 1. 1 cube. 1 to the power of 3, we can call it as 1 cube. That is equals to 1 into 1 into 1. When you will multiply, you will get 1. So that means the cube of 1 is 1. Again, to find the cube of 2, we have to multiply 2 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2. It will give 8. Similarly, for 3, the value of 3 cube is 27. Value of 4 cube is 64. Value of 5 cube is 125. So that means how to find a cube? You have to multiply that number 3 times to get cube of that particular number. Now take the example of few negative integers also. Minus 6. We need to find the cube of minus 6. So minus 6 into minus 6 into minus 6. So it will give you minus 260. One minus sign will get cancelled with the other and one will remain as it is. So that will come here. So therefore, cube of minus 6 is minus 260. Next is, you can see cube of minus 7. Cube of minus 7 is minus 343. And cube of minus 8 is minus 512. Now observe these cubes which we have at random. We have selected few numbers and we have taken the cube of those numbers. So what we have observed from these examples? Point number 1, odd numbers. 1, 3, 5. These are odd numbers. So observe this. The cube of 1 is 1, which is itself an odd number. Then cube of another odd number 3 is 27. 3 is also odd number and the cube of 3 is also an odd. For 5 also, the cube of 5 is also odd number and the cube of 5 is also odd number. That is 125 is also an odd number. So we have seen that cube of an odd number is odd. Now observe for even number 2. The cube of 2 is 8. 2 is even number. 8 is also even number. Cube of 4 is 64. That means that is 4 is also even number and 64 is also even number. So point number 1 is, that is cube of an odd number is odd. Second point, cube of even number is even. Now here few negative integers you can see. So now observe the cube of these negative integers. We have taken negative integers and what we have observed that their cubes are also negative. Here are positive integers. So the cube of all these positive integers are positive. So another point is cube of negative integer is negative and cube of positive integer is positive. So here from these examples, what we have concluded that cube of a positive integer is positive and cube of a negative integer is negative. Second, cube of odd number is odd and cube of even number is even. Perfect cube. A natural number is said to be a perfect cube if it is the cube of some natural number. For example, 1, 8, 27, 64, 125, etc. These numbers are perfect cube. Why they are perfect cube? Because they are the square of natural number. That means when you will multiply 1 into 1 into 1, you will get 1. So that means 1 is the perfect cube of 1. 8 is the perfect cube because we are getting 8 by multiplying 2 3 times. Again, 27 is the perfect cube. How we have got 27? By multiplying 3 into 3 into 3, which is a natural number, and so on. So therefore, if any number is said to be a perfect cube, if it is the cube of some natural numbers. Here are some examples. Now look at one more example. Show that 1000 is a perfect cube. We have to check whether 1000 is a perfect cube or not. So for this you have to factorize 1000, as you have studied in previous chapter also how to factorize, and before also. So first you have to factorize 1000. So by factorizing we have resolved this into these factors. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 5. Now here is a pair of 2 and pair of 5. Now we have combined this and we have got 10 into 10 into 10. So 10 to the power 3. So that means 1000 is a perfect cube of 10. 1000 is the cube of 10. So that means by multiplying a natural number 10 3 times, you are getting 1000. So therefore 1000 is a perfect cube. Now here are some questions. Find cube of each of the following: minus 3 by 5, 0.5 and 1 3 by 10. So how you will do? Minus 3 by 5, you have to multiply it 3 times. So here is a negative sign is there. So definitely in the answer you will get one negative sign, because one negative sign will get cancelled with the other and one will remain. So here is negative sign. And multiply 3 into 3 into 3, that is 27. And then 5 into 5 into 5, that is 125. So the answer is minus 27 by 125. Next is cube of 0.5. Directly also you can multiply 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5. Even that can be your answer. Or you can remove the decimal by multiplying 10 in the numerator and denominator like this, and then multiply 3 times to get its cube. After multiplying, reduce it and then multiply, or first multiply and then reduce. Both are, in the both the cases you will get the same answer. Third question is given in mixed fraction, that is 1 3 by 10. First convert it into improper fraction. So you will get it 13 by 10. Then multiply 13 by 10 into 13 by 10 into 13 by 10. And here is the answer, that is 2197 by 1000. So this much for today, children. Your homework is solve exercise 4A from question number 1 to question number 6, and we will continue in next class. Thank you. Bye bye.